Dear friends, in this video I'd like to showcase how to use VirtualBox to set up the Pentesting lab. I'd like to use this machine as example because some people were telling me that there were some problems with this machine. So without further ado, let's just get started. First of all, we need to install the VirtualBox, and the installation would be very easy. You just download the software to your host and then click next. I will not repeat those steps because they are so easy. And then you need to download the Linux image. I recommend you to download the virtual machines, and you can select the VirtualBox format. And now the installation is also very easy. I already assume that you have already downloaded and installed the VirtualBox and imported the Linux VM into the VirtualBox. And now I'd like to go to this OneHub. OneHub is a wonderful resource which is full of so many machines. And such machines can help us to sharpen our skills, our pen testing skills. And for this machine, above all, we need to download this OVA format image to your host, and then go to the, maybe I need to remove this one, and you can import the appliance and select the folder where the downloaded image is saved. Yeah, this one. And we can click next. Very easy, right? And now we can select the folder where the target machine would be running. And we can use any name. Finish. The VirtualBox is importing appliance. Afterwards, we need to do some configuration with networking. The aim for networking configuration is that we need to make sure that the target machine is accessible from the Linux. In order to do that, we can click this machine and click Settings Lab. Go to the Network tab and make sure we have already enabled this network adapter. Normally, this has been enabled by default, and we need to change. Yeah, I recommend you doing that this way. Bridge adapter is not secure because this would be public to the outside or accessible to the outside. I recommend you configure this network adapter as host only adapter. And then we can click OK. Now, of course, the Linux, we also need to do the configuration in relation to networking. I've already done that configuration already or before. I just show you how to do. And go to the, similarly, we need to go to network section. For the Linux, we need to have two network adapters. The first adapter can allow us to connect to the outside. I also suggest you configure this network adapter as net mode rather than bridge, Of course, bridge network or adapter is also acceptable. However, for me, I think net mode is more or is better, is more secure. Okay, and we can go to the second adapter. This adapter should be in the same network as the target machine. Similarly, we need to attach this adapter to the host only network. So this is very important. By attaching to the same host only adapter, then the target machine can be accessible from the Kali Linux. Now we can click OK. I already started up the Kali Linux to save time of this video. So now we can click Start to boot this target machine. All right, it's booted up. Now we can go to the Kali Linux VM, and we need to test. We need to make a testing to see whether the target machine can be accessible from the Kali Linux. And we can run ifconfig command to show you the network adapters information on the Kali Linux. As you can see, besides this loopback interface, there are two interfaces or network adapters. The first one, do you remember? We have already configured this interface or network adapter as NAT mode. And this one can make the internet to be accessible. And the second interface, we have already configured this interface as host only. And yeah, all traffic for the pentesting will be transported between this network adapter and the target machine. Okay. Next, we need to discover the IP address of the target by the utility net discover. And as you can see, I use the option of I to specify the interface. Again, the net discover will send the discovery packets through this interface or network or host only network adapter. And by receiving the response, we can get the information about the target. As you can see, the IP address of the target could be identified as 254. The other two IP addresses belong to the host, I think, or I believe. So this result of the net discover confirm we have already made proper configuration in terms of networking, or two machines, I mean the Kali Linux and the target stays within the same network. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.